To cut a petal or tulip sleeve, the first thing you want to do is to draft out your basic sleeve pattern, and then you want to open it up like this and mark the midpoint just like I did right here, and then you want to go ahead and notch the midpoint. Okay, now after you're done notching the midpoint, take your tape rule to one of the sides of the cap of the sleeve and mark 4 inches just like this. You can decide to use 4 or 5 inches depending on your preference, and at the midpoint you want to come down by 6 inches just like I did right here. Then to the side you want to mark 4 inches just like this. Okay, then you will connect it together just like this. Go ahead and do that. Now after you're done joining together, the part I labeled X is going to be cut out. We are not needing that part. Okay, just go ahead and cut it out. And after you're done cutting it out, you want to proceed to cut out 4 pieces of this, adding your sewing allowance of about 0.5 inch to 1 inch. And at the point where I notched, you want to also go ahead and notch the 4 pieces that you cut out. The 4 pieces you cut out on your fabric, you want to go ahead and notch that exact point. And after you're done notching it, you want to place a notch area on each other just like I did right here, and you're going to have something just like this. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is you want to use this to cut out your lining as well. So for me, I'll be making use of the fabric as a lining as well. So I went ahead to cut 4 pieces again for the lining. Now you want to place it, the lining and the fabric together just like that, and then you want to sew from that edge that I am touching. You want to sew it together, leaving the upper part of the sleeve. You just want to join it with 0.5 inch for the 4 pieces of the sleeve. Okay, and after I was done, this is what I had. You can see, so I went ahead to place a notch area on each other and then top stitched it. I did the same thing for the other sleeve as well. So we have the 2 sleeves ready. Now the next thing you want to do is just to join at the hem like that. At that point you want to join it together with 0.5 inch or even 1 inch. And after I was done, this is what I have. You can see the sleeve looking perfectly okay and beautiful. So if this is something you would like to try, give this video a thumbs up. Bye.